Hello everyone! Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add any additional key.
This kit is compatible with 2013 to 2017 Ram 1500.
If you want to know whether your car makes this list, I will cover what cars do and don't at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option to save money. This tool will work on any aftermarket key or the original key. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit first. Then, we will use the kit to program our own unprogrammed original Dodge key. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it as many times as you want in your vehicle, but you cannot use it in any other vehicle for safety reasons. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. Once you connect it, you can insert the original key that is already programmed into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the car. From there, the tool will show the models to select from. Select the model of your car. In my case, it is Ram. Then on the next screen, choose 1500. Next, press Enter and choose the year of your car make. So, we're working on the 2011 Ram 1500. It will give you a range, so I choose from 2009 to 2012. Enter. Next, the screen will say press the brake and start the vehicle. So press the brake and start your vehicle to get to the next step. Now it will be connecting to your vehicle. Once it says turn the ignition off and remove the key, turn the ignition off and remove the key. Now, the tool will tell you to insert your new key. Here is my new key. So insert it into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the car. Within a few seconds here, you will hear the tool beep. And now it's all done. Your key is ready to go. You can test your key by starting the vehicle. As you can see here, it's working. Now in our case, we will also program the second key. To do this, we will repeat the steps. Start by shutting the car off. And then unplug the ProKeyBox tool. We will repeat the same steps, except we will use the new key we just programmed to program the second key. So again, insert the key and turn it to the on position. Then choose your model of car and the year. For me, it is Ram 1500, the year 2009 to 2012. Now press Enter, and it will tell you again to press the brake and start the vehicle. Next, press Enter. And let it connect until it tells you to turn the ignition off. Then, once it does, remove the key and turn the vehicle off. Here is our next unprogrammed original Dodge key. Repeating the same steps as before, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the car. You'll have to wait a few seconds before you hear this tone. This means it is all done. So next, let's test the key. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.